Men may not understand how far you brought us. They may not understand. Even when we try to explain to them, men may never understand how far you brought us. All they see is the glory. They don't know about your story. If they hear half of what you went through, at least it will help them to understand. Even Potiphar's wife never understood that what she was doing was part of the plan. Judas Iscariot never understood that betraying Jesus will make him the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords.